Are you a new YouTube creator? Are you just now starting your YouTube channel and you're looking to build your subscribers? Are you looking to build your online business to get more leads and sales on YouTube? If that is you, then this is going to be the most important YouTube video that you ever watch, because I'm going to talk about 5 tips to YouTube channel growth. What's going on, guys? This is Kirshana Sykes. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about making money online. So I do videos about that. But in this video particularly, I'm going to talk about how you can grow your YouTube channel so that you can get more leads, more sales in your business, and make more money online. Now, if that interests you at all, then you definitely want to hit that subscribe button. You want to hit the bell notification button, because all the videos that I create, you're going to be notified. You know, I felt that this was an important YouTube video to shoot because I am looking to grow my YouTube channel so that I can get more leads and more sales in my business. And most of my audience, you guys that are watching, most likely are in the same boat as well. You're looking to grow your online business, and YouTube is a great way to do that. So what I've been doing is a lot of research and going through a lot of training on exactly how to build my YouTube channel. And I want to share it with you. I hope that's cool. If it's cool for me to do that, to kind of give you guys some tips on what I'm learning so that you can implement it as well, these great strategies, then definitely let me know in the comments. Make sure that you like this video as well, because that is how it gets spread out to the public more. But it also lets me know that you're digging this type of content, and then I can create more of it. Are you ready? Let's get started with these 5 tips to YouTube channel growth. The first tip is you want to decide on a niche. Basically what your channel is going to be about and the type of content that you're going to be creating for your channel. Why is this important? Well, it's important because it gives you direction on what type of videos to create, but also it lets your audience know what your YouTube channel is going to be about. And that helps them to make a decision on whether they're going to subscribe to your channel or not. So it's very important for you to be niche specific. So if you're doing a keto channel, then you want to do videos about keto. If you have a YouTube channel about making money online, then you want to shoot videos about making money online. If you're doing an exercise channel, guess what? You're going to do videos about exercise. Again, you want to concentrate your channel on one specific thing, because your subscribers, your audience, are going to be looking for videos about whatever you say your niche is. You want to be congruent so you don't confuse your audience, and they'll be more inclined to tune in to every single video that you create because it's on topic with your niche. Tip number 2 is to do your research so you know what's hot in your niche, and then you can create videos about it. See, a lot of hiccups that us new YouTubers have is that we simply just don't know what type of videos to do. One thing that I can tell you that is key is that you definitely want to do videos around what's popular and what people are actually searching for. So now the question is, what are people searching for? There are several different resources that you have at your disposal to help you with that. The first one is Google. You can literally research anything about your niche on Google. There's going to be a lot of content that comes up. It can tell you exactly what's hot in your niche. It will help you to create videos around those topics. A second resource that you have is Keywords Everywhere. That is a Google extension that's free for you to use. When you add that to your browser, it not only gives you information on topics that are hot, but it also gives you the number of people that are actually searching for it. So you don't have to worry about, should I do this video? Are people going to watch it? Are they even looking for it? Because Keywords Everywhere gives you the actual keywords that are popular, and that's what you want to use as your guide. Another resource is vidIQ. This is an extension that you can put on your YouTube channel. Again, you can search several different topics. It will give you subjects around what's going on in your niche, very similar to Keywords Everywhere. And of course, we can't forget about YouTube. You can put anything in the search box in YouTube, and whatever comes up, the most popular topics that people search for. So that in itself gives you everything that you need to know about what types of videos to create. And if you also have the Keywords Everywhere extension on your browser, it will show you how many people are actually searching for every single listing that you see within the search box. Tip number 3 is to use thumbnails and make sure they are interesting. You know, thumbnails are kind of like previews to a movie. Think about it. Watching a preview, they always show the best parts of the movie because they know that that is going to entice us to go see the movie. So as it relates to your thumbnail in your video, you want to highlight whatever the video is going to be about, only with 3 or 4 words. It shouldn't be a lot of text. You want to use a polarizing picture. You want to capture their attention so that they want to click on your video. Remember, it's the first thing that people are going to see, your thumbnail. So it's the decision factor for them or whether or not they want to click on that button and watch your content. So you have to make sure that you draw them in. Some examples to help you with this would be look at popular YouTube creators that are in your niche. Take a look at the types of thumbnails that they are creating. You can simply model what it is that they do. You can use canva.com to create thumbnails on your own, but if you have a small budget, you can always go to fiverr.com and have someone create your thumbnails for you. But you must have a thumbnail and it must be interesting. It must be polarizing. Tip number 4 is to always have a CTA or call to action. Remember, the purpose for you creating your YouTube channel and doing videos is because you want your channel to grow. And you may want to grow your online business, which means you want more leads and more sales. So you always have to tell people what the next step is. Some examples of this would be if your primary focus is to grow your YouTube channel and to get more subscribers, then you're simply going to say in your YouTube video, hey guys, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification button. That is a CTA. As you can see, I did it at the very beginning of my YouTube video. I'm also going to do it at the very end of my YouTube video. And because I'm telling you to do it right now, hey, make sure that you also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button. Now, if you don't tell people what to do, then they will do nothing. So you always want to think, what is the purpose of my video? What do I want people to do? And that's what you want to tell them by way of a CTA. If you are offering a free guide or you want people to join your Facebook group, you want to make sure that you tell people to do that in your YouTube video. The call to action is very important, and your call to action must be present in every single video that you do. Tip number 5 is just start. A lot of us are terrified, myself included. I was very terrified to be on video and to start a YouTube channel. But the truth is not everything is going to be perfect. So you just have to get started. You have to put yourself out there and be uncomfortable. The more you do this, the better you will get at it and the easier it will become. But you're never going to get to that point where it's easy if you never start. So you want to make sure that you are also consistent with the videos that you create. A lot of people have the question of, well, how many videos do I upload? And of course, with YouTube and the algorithm, the more videos you create and upload, the better off you're going to be because you're going to grow your channel in a shorter amount of time. But reality is also that we all have lives and we have a lot of different things to do. So my advice to you is to really sit down and think about, when can you create YouTube videos? How often can you create them on a consistent basis? Here's a bonus tip that I wanted to give you is just show your personality and have fun and don't worry about being perfect. You know, you don't want to be someone else because that's fake and people can see fakeness a mile away. But if you just are who you are, showing your personality, your audience will be attracted to you. There's an audience for everyone. There are some people that are going to be attracted to me that may not be attracted to you and vice versa. But give them the opportunity to see who you are. And also what it does for you is it helps you to create confidence and know that you are good enough. Because you are good enough. It's just a matter of you putting your content out there so everyone else in the world can see exactly how good you really are. Remember that you instantly become the authority if you're creating good content and you're uploading videos, because most people won't do this. Most people will not stand in front of a camera and talk and upload to video because a lot of people are scared, and I get it. But if you are the one that throws fear out of the window and decide to do it anyway, then you are an instant authority. And I want you to know that. And again, don't worry about being perfect, because no one's perfect. Your lighting's gonna be off. You're gonna stutter. Okay, videos are not gonna get a lot of views, and you may want to tear your hair out. Forget about it. Keep on uploading videos. Keep on getting better and better. Keep on creating content that people want, and do it on a consistent basis. And I promise you, the subscribers will come. The leads will come. I am hoping that this helped you out. I hope that I encouraged you and gave you some good tips for you to start right now. Let me know in the comments if you are ready to start. Let me know in the comments that you are going to commit to building your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments that you are not scared, you know that you are good enough, and you are going to rock your YouTube video out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, let me know in the comments. Feel free to share this out if you feel that it will help anyone. Also, my CTA, make sure that you hit the like button on this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell notification button so all of my videos that come out, you guys are going to see. And I look forward to seeing your videos. I'll see you later.